Hi guys, this is Darius. This is going to be a new video series with Unity. Unity is the game development platform. Personal Edition is completely free to use, and it is the best game engine you can use to make games if you are a beginner. I will try to make a game in Blender and Unity, but in this video I'm going to show how to download and install Unity. So firstly go to Unity download page. Click on Choose your Unity plus Download. Unity Personal is good for making a simple game, so choose it. Agree with Accept Terms. Click on Download Installer for Windows if you are a Windows user. Click on Installer. Unity installer appears on the screen. Click on Next. I agree. Again accept and click Next. And then we'll give the options what you want to install. I recommend not to do anything, only click on Next. You can reopen this assistant and check the box you want. You can select the folder where you want to download or install Unity. It will start the process of downloading and installing. If you check Visual Studio version, you can use it instead of MonoDevelop tool in Unity. Then you finish your Unity installation. Now you can run Unity software. You can sign in with Google or Facebook, or create a new account with email. From here you will be able to fill up your information. You must confirm your email. And that's it. Now you can use Unity. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.